Here we have a Mazak Quick Turn 15N, new in 1992. It's got Mazatrol T32-2 Control on it, 8-inch Kitagawa chuck, tailstock. The turret is going to include all the toolbox that you see. And I'm going to walk around the machine, show it to you, and then we'll show it. Obviously it's under power. We'll show it to you moving around the turret. So here's the close-up of the chuck, the turret, the tailstock. Here's the control. This is a one-owner machine. It was purchased new in a small shop here in New Jersey. And I'll just show you the back side of it. Machine's in good shape and ready to continue making parts. What speed is it running right now?
250.
Okay, can we run it a couple other RPMs? 1200 RPMs. Go. There's our Mazak Quick Turn 15N.